Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is about the advice you give in the practice and performance of your art. Maybe it's to yourself, maybe it's to your Kung Fu brothers and sisters, maybe it's to students of yours, maybe it's to students of other people or colleagues. And make a list of your advice. It doesn't have to be comprehensive. It doesn't even have to be written down. But consider the advice that you give to others. And then organize that list such that the advice that applies most often in the practice and performance of your art is at the top of the list. So that somebody that gets that advice can apply it most often, right? Not just in very specific places. This might shift the way that you teach to offer advice that applies more often, so it can be practiced iteratively in a student's burgeoning career, and perhaps help them grow all the better. So enjoy that, and thank you very much. And remember, you've benefited from a lot of advice over the years. Why don't we apply some Kung Fu to the advice that we'll be giving others? Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.